Based on reviews, I decided to check out this cleaning kit for telephones. So let's go ahead and pull it out of the box here. Comes in a nice silicone bag. There comes in a bunch of different colors. I went with the blue. Probably the most popular would be the black or maybe the white. Let's see, it's got a little cling over the top there to keep it from getting scratched. That's kind of nice. Looks like we've got a little thing of cleaner here. And, oh, that's nice. A little thing to pull dust off. What's cool is that each of the tools in the kit are labeled at the top there, so you can see which thing you're pulling out and what they're for. So this is probably the USB cleaner for cleaning USB cables, and then I'm guessing this is the little brush that goes in to clean the USB ports. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of them that are specifically made for cleaning out like your USB ports or your microphone or your speakers, those kind of things on a cell phone or on a camera. And this is a nice little form factor, very popular, great reviews. I can see why. I'm glad I bought it. I hope this helps.